a concept that provides you to look up your patients or victims of different health problems. Diagnose smartwatch, which detects and sends report of pulse rate, body temperature, blood pressure, step counter, location, diabetes input. Then recent record is periodically sent to server using internet as communication medium. After all that, the report is received by caretaker as guardian or appointed doctor of victim using web interface. If you log in as patient for first time, then you have to sign up. Make your profile by mentioning your health problems, age, location and watch ID or serial number mandatory. Other possibilities is to log in as caretaker for first time. Make profile using category guardian or doctor. If guardian, then describe your relation with patient and some mandatory information including watch ID or serial number that your relative patient is using. And if caretaker is doctor, then make profile by mention his or her specialization, time to look up patients and membership packages stuff. In order to appoint a doctor for patient, first filter doctors with their specialization and some other satisfactory options like nearest location and timings. Conversation between caretaker and patient is carried out through provided emergency phone number or email.